The decline of Schlitz Brewing Company serves as a stark reminder of how changes in brewing processes and quality control can affect iconic brands. Its swift rise and subsequent fall present a cautionary tale for the industry. Once a household name, Schmidt's Brewing Company produced millions of barrels annually. However, financial struggles led to its acquisition and eventual closure in 1997, highlighting the volatility in the brewing sector. Similarly, Old Milwaukee, a significant brand from the 1980s, enjoyed impressive sales but succumbed to challenges in a fiercely competitive market, resulting in the discontinuation of several products. Schlitz malt liquor, recognizable by its distinctive logo, cultivated a dedicated following before its discontinuation in 1992. At its peak in the late 1970s, it sold approximately 1.5 million barrels annually. Falstaff beer, once a leading brand by the 1960s, faced declining sales in the 70s due to intensified competition. The brand's main label was discontinued in 2005, marking the end of a significant chapter in its history. Stroh's beer enjoyed great popularity in the 1980s, achieving annual sales of around 7 million barrels. Yet, by 2000, it experienced a decline, although it was reintroduced in 2022, keeping its legacy alive. At its peak, the brewery was the third largest in the U.S., showcasing its popularity despite the lack of exact sales figures. Innovative advertising strategies played a vital role in its success during this period. Following Prohibition, the acquisition by the Benenhausen brothers marked a renewed era for Ballantine Ale, demonstrating resilience and adaptability in the brewing industry amidst significant market shifts. The legacy of Ballantine Ale is evident through its loyal followers and the challenges faced throughout its operational years, particularly the impact of changing regulations on production. Mr. Bo, the iconic one-eyed figure, has become synonymous with both the beer and the spirit of Baltimore since its introduction in 1936, embodying the city's brewing heritage. Rain beer, brewed in Seattle since 1878, initially rose to prominence for its high-quality ingredients. However, it eventually faced decline due to market changes and ownership issues. Pearl Beer, a beloved Texan brand founded in 1883, encountered various challenges but successfully made a comeback in 2020 with a refreshed look and updated flavor. The brewery's founding was supported by notable figures like Adolphus Busch, who helped establish Texas's first large-scale mechanized brewery, marking a pivotal moment in the state's brewing history. By 1965, Lone Star Beer exceeded annual sales of 1 million barrels, firmly establishing Texas as a key player in the beer production landscape. This growth was closely tied to effective branding and marketing strategies. Lone Star introduced a variety of beer options over the years, adapting to consumer preferences and evolving market trends. Despite facing challenges, it remains a symbol of Texas pride and tradition. Michael Peel, an adept German brewer, played a vital role in the brewery's success by crafting unique German-style beers that enhanced their appeal to American consumers. The incorporation of the brewery in 1898 represented a significant milestone, solidifying its reputation in the national beer market, even amidst changing tastes and declining sales later on. Despite robust sales peaking at around 1.5 million barrels, the brewery encountered challenges from evolving consumer preferences and market conditions, which led to financial difficulties. Founded by the General Brewing Company, Lucky Lager quickly ascended to popularity, becoming California's second best-selling beer by 1937 with annual sales exceeding 2 million barrels. The beer's success stemmed from strategic marketing and a flavor profile that resonated with beer enthusiasts throughout the 1950s and 60s, cementing its place in the market. Similarly, Iron City Beer, yet another iconic American brew, faced comparable challenges and ultimately ceased production in 2009, reflecting the shifting dynamics of consumer tastes in the industry.